Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful foxglove in Blender. Let's start. Add mesh, cube. In edit mode, move the cube like this. Add two empties. I added plane axis and sphere. Don't forget to rename your objects. Add an array modifier to your cube. Count 5. Disactivate relative offset. Activate object offset and select your first empty. Select your empty and rotate it in Z 72 degrees. Select your cube. In edit mode, model it like this. Don't forget to delete this face. It is like an open box. Add a subdivision surface modifier and keep modeling as you like. I prefer to apply the subdivision surface modifier in this case. Add another array modifier to your cube. Relative offset x 0, z 1, count 30. Activate object offset and select your second empty. Rotate your empty in Z as you like. Keep playing with the Z offset. Decrease the scale of your empty just a little bit. Keep playing with the array count. Next step. Add a path. Rotate in Y -90 degrees. Scale it to fit. Increase the bevel depth of your path. Add a curve modifier to your flowers and select your path. In edit mode, play with your path. Finally, add a subdivision surface modifier. I'm going to deactivate this because my PC is trash. Increase the resolution of the bevel of the path. Set your camera and your scene maybe with an HDRI. Next step. Texturing. Create a new material for the flowers. Add a noise texture. Color ramp. Gradient texture and a mix RGB. Don't forget to connect all in the subsurface of the BSDF node. Add mapping and texture coordinate nodes. Then play with noise scale and detail. With the colors in the color ramp. Connect the gradient texture and the noise texture with the mix RGB. In mapping node, rotate Y 90 degrees and decrease location X as you prefer. Keep playing with all, the possibilities are endless. For the path I only make a basic metallic material. You can make more details in the flowers. And that's it. It looks like Flume's album. Skin artwork. Hope you like this. If you make an Instagram post with what you learned here, don't hesitate to tag me. Follow me on Instagram. Bye.